exercise. First question. Find out the root of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. The first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. We should simplify this by using factorization method. By using factorization method, we should do this sum. Okay. You can send the answer in the app directly if you got. First multiply minus 10 ones are minus 10. Minus 10, coefficient of x square is 1. So minus 10 ones are. Okay. Right, first step is that. Now take the table. Decide two number which will give you minus 10 if you multiply. If you multiply, you should get minus 10, and if you add or subtract same number, you should get minus 3. If you add or subtract, you should get minus 3. For example, I decided 10 ones are 10, just example. But 10 ones are 10. If I will get a 10, but if I do 10 minus 1, I will get 9. If I do minus 10 plus 1, I will get minus 9. So there is no chance of getting 3. So this 10 ones are 10 will not help. Arfa Nuren says 5 twos is better. So let's try 5 twos. Okay. Arfa Nuren says 5 twos. So 5 twos we will take. As I want minus 3, so obviously big number will get minus 5. So minus 5 into 2 will get minus 10. Minus 5 plus 2 will get minus 3. You should be very sure. You should be very much sure about this table. So we can write x square. Then this 2 number we should include it. Minus 5x now. Minus 5x. Then we should write plus 2x and minus 10 equals to 0. Take common in this 2. Take common in this 2. Then take common in this 2. So x is common in this. X minus 5. In this 2 common, 2 ones are and 2 5s. You can see here 2 ones are and 2 5s are. 2 is common. X minus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 5 equals to 0. This and this. X minus 5 equals to 0. We can write x is equal to 5, as this 5 will come here right hand side. Correct? Next is x plus 2 is equal to 0. This one x and this is plus 2. Okay, this we brought here. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Maybe we can write x is equal to minus 2. Finish. This was the first yes, Ron, right answer. Very good. So it was easiest one. Directly message in the app. Nikhil got, Manoj. Haripriya always got. Okay. Shall I do this? Third question. Shall I try these questions? Any students got right answer? So let us simplify. Kindly do not message now. On your screen now. Minus 6 ones are minus 6. I need, if I multiply, I should get minus 6. And if I add or subtract, I should get plus 1. I should get plus 1. If I add or subtract. Some people may think that 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6 will get, but you will not get 1. You are not going to get 1. Either you minus or you add it. So this is not a correct number. Try another number. 3 twos are. 3 twos are 6 will get. We want plus 1. So just write 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. First sum always should see carefully. One who is having little weak in the basics, first sum carefully see. Again the x common in this both. X common in this both, and again you should take common in this. So x common, remaining is x plus 3. Here minus 2 common. Minus 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So you know whenever you take minus common inside the bracket, the sign will get changed. This will get changed, remember, whenever you take minus common. Is equal to 0. Answer will get x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Another answer, x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. Next question. This is, again you see on your screen, see, 2 6 are 12, minus 2 into 6 will get minus 12. We need minus 1. What we need? Minus 1. So you can take 4 threes are. I need minus 1, so I will give minus 4 plus 3. 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Take common in this 2 and then in this 2. In this I can take x will be however common, and even 2 table is also common. So 2 threes are 2 twos are is there. So 2x, here 2 threes are minus 2 twos are. In this there is no common, so always 1 will be the common. This is your x will not come. So 1, 3x minus 2. Wrong numbers. Minus 1 by 2 will get another answer. So 2 answer. Understood? And we will start now explanation. No Kirti, minus, no plus. Both answers are positive. Fine, everybody look on your screen now and stop messaging now. I'm not going to see the chat box now. 750 ones are 750. I'm not like, it is not like easy number that I will directly write something 15, 50. I mean, we are not that much expert, right? In multiplication. We are too lazy. So what you can do instead of that, take the factors. 750. Go for the tables. Like I will just take 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 0, 5 threes are 15, 5 6 are 30, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are. So now the thing is what? Your answer is there in these numbers only. Your answer is there in these numbers only. You should arrange this number so that you get a proper answer. So what I think that if I take 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, if I take 125, remaining is 6. 125 minus 6. Arey baapre. That is not possible. Yeah. That much big not possible. So I should see very little closer one. So let us check some other number. See here we have 5 5s are 25. Can you see this? And this is 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 30 and 25. If I take 30 and 25, 30 plus 25, I'm going to get 55. So I'm on the track. So minus 30 and minus 25 will give me minus 55. And minus 30 into minus 25 will give you plus 7. So here we go. X square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750. This will help you. This will help you. This is going to help you, remember. Sir, how to find this number and this number? Array, this you have to try, yaar. At least this much you can try. So take the common. This is very simple now for you to take common. X common, x minus 30 minus 25 common, x minus 30. Answer x minus 30 equals to 0, x equals to 30. X minus 25 equals to 0, x equals to 20. You know this is which question? Cottage industry question. This is the equation of which industry? Cottage industry. 2 3s are. I request not to message, please. Ashwan, good answer. Nikhil, good answer. Manoj, mistake. Chalo everyone. 6 is there. 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. I need the sum, I need 2 root 6. That 2 minus 2 root 6. And if I multiply, I should get 6. Very nice, yeah. Very nice. I should get without root if I multiply. Means I just should get a whole number 6. If I add or subtract, I should get minus 2 root 6. Amazing. How? How possible that? See, so you should think that first thing that there is no table is going to interfere now. Like 2 3s are 6, or 3 2s are 6, or 6 1s are. Because they are not going to give you the root number. They are not going to give the root. So this number will not help you out. Whole number will not help you out, remember. So we should think differently. We should decide that the number should be under the root. So if I multiply root 6 into root 6, see carefully. Root 6 into root 6. Root 6 will get what? Root 36. Root 36 is nothing but what? 6. So happy, we got 6. If I multiply, I will get 6. Good. Then, if I add root 6 plus root 6, I will get 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6, I will get 2 root 6. Wow, great then. But actually, we want minus 2 root 6. What we want? Minus 2 root 6. That we can do it. Minus 1 root 6, and this also will write minus. So, minus root 6, minus root 6. 3x square minus 1 root 6x minus 1 root 6. If you don't write 1 root 1 also okay. Plus 2 equals to 0. So this part okay over. But still difficulty is it. Still it is difficult to take common. It's not simple. We should know basics. Basics should be perfect. Then we can do it. So now what? We should take common in this 2. Then we should take common in this 2. So here, the normal people, the normal person will think that there is no common at all. Here 3 is there and here root 6 is there. What common will come? No chance. Only x is common he will take and he will go in. No, common is there. I can take common. What I can take common? Root 3. Root 3 2s I will get here. Root 3 2s, that is for sure. Root 3 2s, root 6 will get. Correct now? Correct now? Root 3 2s, root 6 will get, obviously. So here what I should write? Root 3x is common. Okay. So, okay. So root 3, here also root 3. Because root 3 into root 3 will get root 9. Root 9 is nothing but 3, which is here. Understood? This is there in 9th standard also. So root 3 common, root 3 into root 3 will get 3 here. Simple, yeah. Next step, what we will do? So little this dizziness will erase it. It is taking time. Okay, got erased. Okay, this also got erased. Fine. So root 3x into root 3x will get 3x square, minus is a minus. Root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2, root 6 will get. Very good. Now here what common we should take, however minus is there only. I can take root 2 common. Root 2 common, root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 3, root 6 will get here x. Here plus is there but minus will come because we have taken minus common. So minus into minus. So you know that. So here I want 2. So root 2 into root 2. You know root 2 into root 2 what will get? Root 2 into root 2 will get root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So that is what we wanted. So if you multiply, you will get the first step. See, dear student, if you multiply, just a minute, if you multiply root 3 into root 3 will get 3x square. Root 3 into root 2 will get minus root 6x. Minus root 2 into root 3, your x will come. Okay, so minus this also root 6x will get. Minus into minus plus, root 2 into root 2 will get 2. You can see this step and this step. Both are same. If you multiply also we got same. So if you get same by multiplication, then your common taken is correct. Whatever you have taken the common, it is right. If you get same. Okay, so this is. Now final answer. Root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0. Another answer is also same. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Both answer will get same. Both roots are same. Root 2 will come here. Root 3x is equal to root 2. X is equal to root 2 by root 3. Another answer also same. Root 3x is equal to root 2. This will go to right hand side. X is equal to root 2 by root 3. Another answer also got. Finish. That's it. Homework one you take. One question you take. Homework. These two questions you try by your own. If you have a doubt, you can message me or you can call me. We will help you out.